In this video, I'll guide you through how to sort data in LibreOffice Calc. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or just looking to enhance your skills, learning how to sort data is a fundamental task that can help you organize and analyze your information more effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll want to do that beforehand. Once you have LibreOffice up and running, you'll need to click on the Calc spreadsheet option. Calc is LibreOffice's answer to Microsoft Excel, offering a robust suite of tools for data management and analysis. Now, with Calc open, it's time to enter your data. This could be anything from a list of contacts, sales figures, or inventory items. Make sure you enter the data accurately and in the appropriate columns, as this will make sorting much easier. Organizing your data clearly from the start can prevent headaches later on and ensure that your sorting process goes smoothly. Once you've entered your data, the next step is to highlight the column that you want to sort. For example, if you want to sort your data based in names, click on the header of the column containing the names. Highlighting the correct column is crucial as it tells Calc exactly what data you're focusing on for sorting purposes. With your column highlighted, move your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Data menu. This menu contains all the options you need to manipulate your data, and sorting is one of the most commonly used features. The Data menu is your go-to place for organizing and analyzing the information in your spreadsheet. Under the Data menu, you'll see several sorting options. You can click on Sort to bring up a more detailed sorting menu if you need to sort by multiple criteria or within different columns. If you're looking for a quick sort, you can simply choose Sort Ascending to organize your data from A to Z or from smallest to largest. Alternatively, select Sort Descending to sort your data from Z to A or from largest to smallest. These options make it easy to quickly rearrange your data according to your needs. And there you have it. Sorting data in LibreOffice Calc is a simple yet powerful way to manage and analyze your information. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data is organized in a way that makes sense for your specific needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different data sets and sorting criteria to get more comfortable with the process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Sorting data is just one of the many features that make LibreOffice Calc a versatile tool for managing information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your software. Happy sorting!